For our Mythbusters experiment, we were trying to figure out what the best way to clean a toothbrush was.
When we were searching for our project, we found out that your toothbrush can actually have E. coli on it, and so we wanted to find the best way to clean your toothbrush so you can disinfect the germs that you're brushing your teeth with.
Our small scale question is, what part of your mouth has the most germs?
Okay, now Shelby's brushing her teeth to see how much bacteria is on them compared to the rest of her mouth. She'll be brushing her teeth and only her teeth for 45 seconds. And now she'll put it in a bag labeled teeth. So, Shelby's brushing the tongue of her mouth to see how much bacteria is on it compared to the other part of her mouth. She'll be brushing it for 45 seconds. Okay, that's good. Okay, now she's going to put it in a plastic bag. Now Shelby's brushing the roof of her mouth to see how much bacteria is on the roof of her mouth compared to the rest of her mouth. She'll be brushing the roof of her mouth for 45 seconds. Now she'll put it in a plastic bag. Okay, so Shelby's doing the controlled toothbrush. It's perfectly out of the package, but we're still going to test it for bacteria. Now she's inoculating the bacteria onto the agar in the petri dish. She'll do this the same with all the samples on the toothbrushes that we collected in each of their own petri dishes.
We found that the roof of your mouth has the most bacteria. We think this because most people, Shelby included, don't brush the roof of their mouth, but the average person does brush their teeth and tongue. From our small-scale experiment, we learned that to get the most bacteria, you need to brush all over your mouth, and then over 4 days, I got a new toothbrush out of the package, brushed my teeth and twice a day for 2 minutes each, and then brought it to school in a baggie, and we cleaned it in our different ways. The first way we attempted to clean a toothbrush was by putting it in the microwave for 1 minute.
The second way we cleaned our toothbrush was by soaking it in bleach for 1 minute. The third way we cleaned our toothbrush was by scrubbing it with antibacterial soap.
We left one of our toothbrushes unclean, and that's our controlled toothbrush.
This is kind of disgusting.
This is our first method of cleaning a toothbrush. Shelby's going to put the toothbrush in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, then we're going to swab the clean toothbrush.
I've got enough. I think I've got enough for 2 weeks yet.
And inoculate it on the jelly side of the petri dish. It'll sit in here for 48 hours.
The third way we cleaned our toothbrush was by soaking it in bleach for 1 minute, and after that, Katie swabbed it with a Q-tip and then wiped it on a petri dish, and then she incubated it for 4 days.
Okay, so another one of our cleaning methods is antibacterial soap. Now she's going to swab it and put it on our petri dish. Then it'll go back in the incubator for 48 hours. So this is a toothbrush that we're not going to clean. We're going to simply swab it and see how much bacteria is on it. This is our control toothbrush.
Did they tell you what you're going to be working on? How about you look through the videos?
I'm glad we're
Results show that cleaning with bleach and microwave don't work very well because they had 24 and 25 colonies of bacteria left on this toothbrush compared to the toothbrush with no cleaning that had 30 colonies of bacteria. One thing that we should have probably controlled was the fact that we didn't time how long we had the soap going and then how long we were using the soap, and we also could have extended the cleaning time because that probably would have changed our results as well.
Our myth is busted because we thought bleach would kill the most bacteria. We found out through research that bleach kills most all types of bacteria.
Except for the ones on your toothbrush, I have now found out.
Busted.
What do you want me to say again? We found that the roof of your mouth.
Am I going to be in this video?
Hello.
I apologize.
Did you label them,
My sister thought you were done.
Shelby?
Shelby. Shelby, she's talking to you.
Do you have a marker?
Getting there too.
Now Shelby will label her petri dishes.
We are done.